Hello, my name is Oded Cohen. I would like to invite you to the 38th International Conference of TOCPA, the organization of TOC practitioners around the world. In the conference, I'm going to give a presentation on what is TOC. Quite a challenging subject when we have to comprise over 40 years of experience and knowledge that have been developed within TOC. In the conference, I will talk about all of the aspects of the TOC, and of course, a great deal of importance is reserved to the concept of the constraint. The constraint is the major factor that is determining how much the system can perform. As you can see, the motto behind me is sort of growing up on the red curve, increase performance, growing and growing. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in Paris towards the end of this month and share with you my views on TOC.